What's going on, everyone? In this video, hey, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, wherever you're watching this, we're going to be talking about how to make money without talking to a single soul. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so you want to learn how to make money without speaking to no one, recruiting no one, selling anyone, anything. You simply want to just learn how to do that. So in this video, I'm going to be actually talking about, in this live, in this video, in this content today, we're going to be talking about what you need to be doing, what you should actually, think about doing, and why you should just basically do it. If you don't want to talk to a single soul, you want to be basically, a little bit more to yourself. You just want to make money. Don't want to talk to people. Don't want to sell people. Just want to keep it to yourself. So we're going to get into it. Okay, so basically how this works is simple. You want to learn a skill in which you can make money which you don't have to talk to people. And there's a bunch of skills out there that you can learn. I'm sure of it. I can guarantee you of it. There's so many skills that you can learn out there, but not every skill is as profitable at the rate in which, you can, as profitable as is willing to be, and as profitable and, in which you're willing to, make them enough money. I hate to pause on this, but I'm out here just to drive content to you, and it's not as profitable with the time that it may be, needed to put into it to, make money, and it may or may not be worth it. So you need to understand this. When you're not trying to, speak to anyone, you need to understand that, you may have to take a different approach to it. You need to be more, focused. You're going to possibly be, if you're not spending your time around, connecting with people, you're going to be connecting with possibly objects. You're going to be connected with things. You're going to be more to yourself. You're not going to really be connecting with people because you don't want to connect with them. So understand that when you learn this skill, you're going to be more self-centered. You're not going to be really talking to anyone. So the skill, if you are driven, who you just want to talk to yourself, which this skill you can actually use to, connect with other people and create a team around it. It's trading. Trading, this can be anything. You can trade currencies, you can trade products, you can trade anything. But for me in particular, and what I really like to do is I like to trade on the specific market, what I like to call the foreign exchange market. For those of you who have known me, I've been recently an advocate for the trading on the foreign exchange market. I want to get more people involved with it. I want to get more people, out there trying to, start trading on the foreign exchange market and, really diving deep into it. So why should you learn how to trade, basically, if you don't want to talk to anyone? Because, now in this era, we have this ability in which we can go out here on our laptop, on our smartphone, freaking from our laptop to our TV to different levels of screens, and we can go out here, learn how to read these markets and understand whether these markets are going to go up or going to go down. And when you're able to read these markets and make profitable predictions, you're able to make a lot of money online without talking to a single soul. I know, the top, I'm going to put it like this: the top foreign exchange traders, the top traders in general, you don't even know who they are because they're out there in the computer, they're out there focusing. And that's simply what you want to do. You say you don't want to talk to anybody, you're thinking about, you don't want to connect with people, you just want to keep it all to yourself. Go out there and learn how to trade. And go out to learn how to trade on the technology that we have today. Because look, you can literally put your money where your mouth is. Zip it closed and just put your money forward, and you can go out there and make profits online. Now, understand this: whenever you're trading currencies or trading some form of value, you're going to have to use your money and hope and predict that the end value is going to increase in order to capture the profits. So look, this is the basic, simple thing I like to use for trading on the foreign exchange market. You probably heard this example from me many times. Let's say you go on a trip. All right, think about this: you go on a trip. You go on a trip, and you want to turn your $1,000 in U.S. money into, you're going to Europe and you're trading. You want to turn it into, European dollars, that $1,000 that you had. Okay. Now let's think about that $1,000. I want you to think about that money. Now let's say, so you transferred it to European dollars, and you go on that trip, and someone says, Don't have to spend anything. Keep it all to yourself. A week passed later. You didn't spend any of that money because you went on the trip. Remember your friend said you don't have to spend anything. You transfer it back, and now you have $1,150.29 when you transfer it back. Now you have that much in US dollars. You just profited $129.50 and however many cents in literally a week, and you didn't have to do anything. You put your money where your mouth was unconsciously, and you participated in the foreign exchange market. Okay? So what if you wanted to do that on a more rapid level? What if you wanted to take it more serious? That's basically when you come in and you actually learn how to trade on the foreign exchange market, where you can actually predict whether or not the value of something is going to go up or down, and you can make trades profitable for those purposes. And understand this, when you learn how to trade on the foreign exchange market, you're going to be learning about more than just the European to the US dollar market. You're going to be learning about the yen. You're going to be learning about Audi, and you're going to be learning about Canadian, all of those. There's so many currencies out here. Honestly, like when I'm actually like trying to think of them, I can't even spurt them out. But understand, there's so many currencies out here that you can use to trade on this foreign exchange market. You just have to go out there and learn what it takes. You said you wanted to. You're thinking about it. You're thinking about it. You don't want to talk to anyone. You just want to make money. Understand this. A lot of people who, whenever they're beginning into building a business, and especially when it comes to network marketing, they're unable to make money because whenever it usually comes to a point where they have to sell a product, which you're not good at talking to people, or they have to get people to join them in business. And not a lot of people are going to do that because they haven't seen their success yet. But imagine this: you don't have to talk to anyone. You can create your own profits. You can actually go out there and learn your skills and put it to action, as well. Receive help from experts to also make thousands of dollars and receive trades automatically, which you don't even have to put your brain forth to learn whether it's going to be profitable or not. The experts are going to do all the work for you and send you the signals. You just have to take the risk that it takes to make the profits. Look, the experts don't benefit from you not becoming profitable, so why would they put out negative profits, or not negative profits, negative signals for you? So you can trust the experts out there if you want to take action on this opportunity, which I can talk about later. But look, besides all of that, it, like I was saying, people in the beginning don't really have that, that with a lot of business, they're beginners, they don't have the ability to sell, or they may or not have the ability to get other people to join them in business because they just haven't have that track record to make. So therefore, they don't have that track record to get other people to join them. But let's think about you as a beginner, and you're able to make money from your trades. You have the proof, you have the track record now, simply because you've learned the skill, you've put it to action. You don't have to persuade anyone to do anything because you've manipulated, not necessarily manipulated, you took advantage of the exchange market that isn't consciously a being. You don't have to take a second thought about it. It's really you versus the world at this point, or you versus just you. All you have to do is overcome yourself, overcome your fears, and just start taking action on anything and everything you can see. It's literally the basis to entrepreneurship. If you ever want to get in, you just want to make more money. So take more action on things. So now you have a track record, and now from that point forward, now you have a track record, and you have you're able to make money simply from not talking to people. You can grow out. You're eventually going to grow out of this this hole in which you don't want to help other people make money. It's just something that's going to happen to you. You're going to make money, and then what happens is, if this is in your morality, you're going to want to help other people, especially if it's going to be a benefit for you sometime in the future by helping other people make money. Simply, you don't even have to teach them. You could just link them to something that is going to help them, and you can make money from that as well. You just got to go out there and just do it. So, lesson of the day: if you want to learn how to make money without talking to anyone, learn how to trade trade anything, and learn how to do it over digitally, because that's where when you're able to make money by not talking to anyone and putting your money where your mouth is going to be. You got to be able to invest it. So don't go out there thinking you're going to be some big time investor or business person if you're not willing to go out there and invest your money and put it to work and put it to action. So I'm going to I'm going to be driving out content like this all the time. So keep leaving, subscribe button. You may or may not see same shirt in a couple, future lives. I'm using this software to, make it live, but I'm, not really live, just throwing it out there. I'm not going to be out here manipulating my people, but, for Facebook algorithm purposes, I'm just going to be live streaming this on Facebook and all other types of content, or Instagram. And you're going to be seeing, may or not see me with the same shirt, just putting out content, creating these videos on the spot, thinking of it for you guys, okay? So subscribe, hit that leave a comment on what else you want to see, and also as well, if you want to begin, diving into the foreign exchange market, I have some free bonuses for you to take action on. I think I have the courses, I have free ebooks and all of that you can really use to shift your mindset and really dive deep more into the foreign exchange market, and as well learn about this opportunity to generate more money on the foreign exchange market. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Can't wait to see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.